Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm making these delicious Lotus Biscoff Cheesecakes along with a homemade Lotus Biscoff paste. So keep on watching. To make the base of the cheesecake, I'm breaking around 10 to 15 Lotus biscuits. Add around 50 grams of softened butter and crush it in a mixer grinder or in a chopper. Scoop out some of the biscuit and place it into molds in which we'll be making the cheesecake, and then press it down to flatten the base. Now you can refrigerate it for 10 minutes. For the next layer, I'm taking 100 grams of mascarpone cheese. You can take any cream cheese that you have. To that, add 100 ml of whole cream and quarter of a cup of powdered sugar. Beat it using a beater until it forms slightly stiff peaks. Now scoop out the quantity that you require and then add it on top of the base that we've prepared earlier. Flatten it out and refrigerate it for another 1 to 2 hours. Now to make the homemade Biscoff paste, I've taken around 10 to 15 Lotus biscuits in a mixer grinder. Add 50 grams of powdered sugar and 50 ml of heavy cream. Add 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Blend it to a smooth and fine paste, and our very easy homemade Lotus Biscoff paste is ready. You can add it directly on top of the cream cheese layer that we prepared, or I'm also using a piping bag just to make a different design and then adding it on top of the cream cheese layer. Once it's done, refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours and then you can take it out of the molds. So our very easy and very delicious homemade Lotus Biscoff cheesecakes are ready. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.